Hello everyone. So today I will show you the basics of Python in IDLE. This is the IDLE for Python Integrated Development Learning Platform. If I am not wrong, let me check it. Yes, Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Okay. So this is the IDLE of sorry. Just a minute. Yeah. This is the ideally shell for Python, and you can see the version here 3.13.1. Okay, so before that, I want to tell you some basic things about Python, that what is Python and why should we use Python? Why, what's the point that makes Python a little different than any other programming languages? Okay, so it is a high level programming language. This programming language was created by Guido van Rossum, and it was released in 1991. Now, why Python is popular? Because it is free to use. Yes, you can use it anywhere you want for any kind of task. It may be web development, it may be game programming, it may be machine learning. Uh, Python interpreter is available for every platform. Now, those who don't know what is an interpreter, so let me tell the meaning of interpreter in short for those people. You can see here. An interpreter is a program that directly executes the instructions in a high level language without converting it into machine code. So that's the difference between a compiler and an interpreter. A compiler converts it into machine code. A compiler converts the programming into a machine code, whereas the interpreter doesn't need to convert it into machine code. It can read without converting into machine code. This is the specification of Python that makes it a popular one. It has a and the third point that I have noted, that it has a vast collection of third party libraries. Now, what are third party libraries? Hmm? Like those libraries which we can import into Python, like you can say NumPy, you can say scikit-learn, Matplotlib, uh, and there are so on. There are OpenCV is also there for computer vision. See, for web application like web development, for numeric programming, for game development, and for artificial intelligence and machine learning programs also, we can use Python. But for ML, for machine learning, we cannot use other programming languages. We can perform any kind of machine learning, uh, uh, we can perform any kind of machine learning things or programs in Python only. Okay, now let me tell you another important point, that what are the MNCs that uses Python. So Google, YouTube, BitTorrent, Intel, NASA, iRobot, and so on. There are many more companies. There are many more MNCs. They use Python for their web development and app development and so on. Okay. So let's get into the depth of Python. So first we need to know what are the identifiers. So okay, so those who don't know why I have written py is the short form of Python. Whenever you save a file, a Python file, you will get to know that you, you can see that the file will be saved with dot py after the file name. I will show you later this when I will save the file. Okay. Okay. So what are Python identifiers? Identifier is a name which is used to identify a variable. Like you can initialize a variable in the program. You can, like, as for example, here I am writing a is equal to, sorry, a is equal to 10. So now I will print a. Let me check what will be the output. See, this is the output. So it is showing that here I am using this print function to uh, to check the output. So actually this is an identifier. So here this is a variable. So I am initializing the variable a with the value 10. Okay. So identifiers are used to identify a variable, function, class, module, and other objects. So let me give you another example. Function defining, def is a keyword. Defining a function, you can say addition. Hmm? You can pass any arguments here. So I will not explain you this. So like this we can uh, mention one function. I will not explain the function in this video. Later on I will tell you. Okay. So class is also there. We with the help of identifiers we can identify a class, module, and other objects also. Module means, I can give you one example. Like I will import the module keyword. Keyword is a module in Python. Okay, I will show this later. Let me tell you what are keywords first. So keywords are predefined word that gets reserved for a working program, that have a special meaning and cannot get used anywhere else. You cannot use these keywords in Python only, and these are predefined. These are defined before. Now let me show you why I am saying these are defined before. You can see in this line I have imported the module named keyword. This is the module name. Okay, keyword is the module name. Now if I want to check that how many keywords are there in Python that we can use in our code snippets, what we need to do, we just need to call the print function, and within the print function, you can see from here, we need to call the object or function from the module. Now which function we need to call? We need to call the function called kwlist from the module keyword. Sorry. Okay. Now if I hit the enter, you can see these are the keywords in Python. Now if you want to count it, you can 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, let me tell you, there are 33 keywords in Python. Okay. Okay. Now the important point here is that you can see that I have, sorry, you can see that I have mentioned the module name first, followed by the object or function name. Kwlist is the function name. Okay. The syntax is here. I have written over here. See, I am importing the module named keyword, and then I am calling the function kwlist from the keyword, and I am printing the values. So this line will return the keywords, all the keywords available in Python. Okay. So what are the data types of Python? You can see there are three types of uh, data types in Python. Just a minute. Hello. Yeah. So you can see from here there are three types of data types are there in Python. What are these? The first one is basic, and in this class, in this point, you can see the basic data types are int for integer, float for decimal values. This is complex for complex numbers. As for example, 2 plus 3i. Boolean, this returns only true or false. String and bytes. Now let me tell you what are string. Strings are mainly the an immutable collection of Unicode characters. You can see I have written over here. String is an immutable collection. Immutable means which cannot be changed. So string is an immutable collection of Unicode characters enclosed within. You can enclose the string within one uh, like uh, uh, single inverted comma, double inverted commas, or triple inverted commas. Okay. So, and the second type is container data types, and this includes list, tuple, set, and dictionary. So there is a big difference between list, tuple, set, and dictionary. Okay, and this I will not explain you today. This I will explain you in the upcoming videos. But let me tell you one thing. This dictionary only is mentioned in key value pairs. Okay, only this dictionary. All right, and the third one is user defined, and these are class. So when I will show you the object oriented programming, there will be the concept of class and objects. In that topic I will explain you what is class and what is the use of the class in Python and what is the relation between a class and an object. So let me tell you, uh, let me show you another part. Just a minute. You can see, if I want to know the type of data I am giving, right, I am writing over here a is equal to any name you can type, like London. So this is a string. Now if you want to know whether it's a string or not, if you want to confirm it from Python, then just print. You have to call the type function, then write a. Let me check whether it's coming or not. Yeah, see, the class is string, it's coming. This the same thing you can also get by this. Prints the value to a stream or to cells system standard output by default. Okay, I don't know why this error is coming. It's not an error, I guess. Okay, let me check this with another example. Okay, x equal to 2. Print the type of x. See, the class is integer. Okay, I think in the previous example I forgot to give one parenthesis. Let me try this another again. London. Yes, see, it's coming string. So London is a string because it is written in between the inverted commas. Now, if we write, sorry, if we write A is equal to London, see, it's not like unless and until we put the inverted commas, it will not work. So a string is always mentioned within the inverted comma. Now let us check the same thing for a float value. A is equal to 9.87. Print the type of A. Again same mistake I have done. Yeah, see, the float value is there. So 9.87 is a float value. Okay. Okay. So now, what are the arithmetic operators in Python? See from here, there are the arithmetic operators in Python are just like any other programming languages: addition, subtraction. This is division. Uh, just note these 2 points. These 2 points are important. One is this one, another one is this one. Both of these are division, but one is float and another one is floor. I don't know the difference between these two, but I will show you practically how these two are working. Okay, so let us define one variable x, x equal to 2, y is equal to 5. Print x plus y. Let me check whether it is returning the proper value or not. Yes, it is returning the proper value, it is showing. Okay. Okay, another thing, this also can be done with the help of user input. Like we can mention the x and y such that it will take the user input and it will print the summation of x and y. Okay, but let's not do that in this video. I will not make it complex. I will make it very simple so that everybody can understand. Now I want to write print x minus y. Okay, see, this is minus 3. Okay, let us take another example. 7, a equal to 7, b equal to 2. Okay, now I will print a multiplies b. See, 14 is coming. Now I will check the division. Print a divide by b. See, it's coming a float value. Okay, so this sign will return a float value. Now in place of the division, if we use the float division, let me check the float division. A, see, this is returning an integer, not a float value. So now you can get the idea that what is the difference between the float and the float division. Okay, so this division, this operator, just a minute. So this operator will not return a float value, but the normal division operator, this operator will always return a float value. So I have shown the multiplication operator. Now I will show you this operator. returns the remainder when the first operand is divided by the second. Print A plus B. See, this is uh, returning one value. Okay. Okay. Let us again initialize one. Okay. Let us do. I have done A by B, no, like A modulus. Now let us try B and A. See, now this is returning a value of 2. So when I am doing A modulus B, it is returning 1. And when I am doing B modulus A, this is returning 2. And now exponential. Okay. Print A exponential B. See, 49. So how it is working? So A is equal to 7 and B is equal to 2. So A exponentiation B, that means 7 to the power 2. That means 7 into 7. That means 49. Okay. Okay. Now let me tell you the precedence concept of the operators. So what is a precedence concept? When we use multiple operators in any expression, arithmetic expression, it is evaluated on the basis of priority or precedence of the operators. You can see from here. Okay. Now, what is the priority of the operators? Yes, that rule was set is followed with the help of PEMDAS. PEMDAS means first parenthesis, P for parenthesis, E for exponentiation, M for multiplication, division, and addition, subtraction. So this is the decreasing order of the priority of the operators. Okay, so that's all for today. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.